In this video, I'm about to show you how to add a payment method to your Microsoft account. You can add your credit card, debit card, bank account, PayPal account, or mobile phone as a new payment method for your Microsoft account. To add a Microsoft gift card to your account, go to redeem.microsoft.com. If you want to edit an exciting payment method, read Update a Microsoft account payment method. To add a new credit card or other payment method to your Microsoft account, follow these steps. Then, select Sign In below to go to the payment options page of your Microsoft account dashboard. Now, add new details by selecting Add a new payment method. Make sure you enter all details correctly. If your card is not accepted, try adding the postal code with and without spaces. The payment method will show up as an option during the checkout step for your next online purchase. To add a payment method for another country, you must change your country before adding the card. Change your account's country or region first by selecting your info and then edit profile info. Once updated, go to the payment options page of your Microsoft account dashboard. Then, add the new details by selecting plus add a new payment method. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.